Guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk diamonds with you today. Why am I telling you I want to talk diamonds? Well, that's because I want to talk about the diamond upgrade in Power Lead System. Diamond is the diamond level in Power Lead System. It's a one-time $147 fee, and what it gets you is $100 commissions. I already told you in other videos about the $20 commissions that you get every month from your referrals that stay in Power Lead System. But you don't want to just make the $20 commissions. You want to make the $100 commissions as well. You want to increase the amount of profit that you can make in your business. If you're ever in an affiliate offer, that's a good affiliate offer that you can be trusted, obviously, like Power Lead System, you will have to make sure you upgrade. If they have other streams of income that you can start making, it will help you to get those really good paydays. And in Power Lead System, the diamond package, every time you get a sale at the diamond level, you got to buy the product to get qualified. Once you buy the product, you get $100 commission every time. And let's say you come in and you don't purchase diamond, and someone beneath you, no matter how far down it goes, gets that diamond package. That diamond package is going to go past you and go right up to me. Also, another good thing about diamond is every time one of your referrals makes a diamond purchase, you get a $25 commission on top of the $100 commissions you make from the sales. So you're getting those extra residuals, just like in the gold members, just like at the gold level where you get the 50% matching bonus. You also get referrals, residual commissions from diamond. So that's why you need to upgrade. You need to upgrade. And if you're not getting diamond sales, it's your own fault because you're not explaining to your downline how important it is to do upgrades. It's one of the best $147 I've ever done. It really is. I've made my money back a long time ago, and no matter what business I do, when I promote my marketing tools in Power Lead System, I can still get commissions from Power Lead System at $20 and $100. And this year, I'm going to be increasing the amount of money that I am going to make by going platinum, and then at some point down the road, I want to go to the Master Traffic Academy product as well. As soon as you can, you got to do the upgrades. But at the very least, you got to go diamond. You have to, because it will help your business and it'll help you grow in that business as well. So, another thing I want to say is, if you're interested in joining Power Lead System and you have not, don't know what it's all about, you click the link below in the description. You'll come to my landing page, which will have a video of myself in it. That's one of the awesome things about Power Lead System is that you can brand yourself. And after you go past that page and you opt into the sales funnel, you'll see a video presentation. Make sure you watch that whole video presentation, and it's going to explain everything in Power Lead System. I'm also going to be making a compensation plan, an updated compensation plan video presentation on my computer sometime within the next couple days. And that's going to also have all the updates about no more pass-ups in Power Lead System. Every sale that you make at the gold, the diamond, the platinum, and the Master Traffic Academy or I think it's Institute products, you get every commission. There's no more pass-ups to your sponsor. So that's amazing, and there's going to be a lot of updates coming to Power Lead System, which I'm also going to update you on when it comes to fruition. And so that's all for this video, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button below this video. When you hit the subscribe button, your notification bell will pop up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when new content is put up. So the link is in the description. My contact information is also in the description. And it will also be inside the sales funnel. When you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you will see all my information, including my phone number. One of the important things about being a leader, and if you really want to increase your business, you got to be more accessible to the people that you bring in. And that's added tip I wasn't going to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.